Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here with me, I got my vacuum cleaner that I use for my car. And this is the AstroAI vacuum cleaner. And one of the things that I like the most from this vacuum cleaner is that it's so easy to handle and easy to carry around with. I just put this on my truck and I just connect it to the lighter port in my car. And it just works great. I use this for the carpets, for the seats, and one of the situations that I like the most, it has two options of LED lights that if I'm doing this in the dark, it's just gonna work out great. Great. The motor power is great, so it's gonna take a lot of the dust or crumbles or anything that is around in the seats of your car. It comes with different attachments, and the cord is actually so long that I can go pretty much anywhere. And this is going to be nice. Again, I put it in my lighter port and my car stays clean and nice. Even if I go to the beach, even if I have people eating in my car, which I don't let them doing it. But even though this guy just does the job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.